The Sneezing Elephant. An elephant sneezed. The sound shook the whole jungle. Monkeys flew like popcorn, parrots spun like helicopters, and the lion got scared and ran back into his cave, hiding his mane. One monkey shouted, "Next time, give us a weather warning, please." The elephant sniffed, "Oops, climate change." Another monkey laughed and said, "Then we need seat belts on the trees."